Since sub-$1 stocks and large downtrends are often hailed as short squeeze candidates these days, hyperscale data fits the build. But that's not really the main reason why there's growing potential for it to bounce. The real reason has to do with its link to cryptocurrency and precious metals, specifically Bitcoin and silver. After all, Hyperscale just announced that its Bitcoin treasury totals about 622.44 BTC, valued at approximately $45.3 million as of March 15th. In addition, it holds around $40.4 million in cash and restricted cash, bringing total liquid and digital assets to roughly $85.7 million. Based on its market capitalization as of March 16th, these combined holdings equal about 161% of its total market value. Executive Chairman Milton Todd Alt3 stated that this reflects a significant disconnect between the company's valuation and its underlying assets, suggesting the stock may be undervalued. The Bitcoin holdings are split between subsidiaries. Centenum Inc. holds about 575 BTC, including both mined and purchased coins, while Alt Capital Group Inc. holds roughly 47 BTC. Hyperscale did not purchase additional Bitcoin during the reported week, but plans to continue allocating capital toward Bitcoin accumulation over time. As detailed in the video about it in January, it's pursuing a broader treasury strategy focused on digital assets and alternative stores of value. This includes plans to gradually acquire up to 100,000 ounces of silver through a dollar-cost averaging approach. And as you may know, silver has been doing quite all right in the long term, given increased demand for its high electrical conductivity in new tech and its use as a historic store of wealth and inflation hedge during uncertain times, similar to gold. Hyperscale also established an at-the-market offering of up to $35.4 million in preferred stock, with most proceeds expected to fund further Bitcoin and potentially precious metals purchases. Positioned as an AI data center operator, Hyperscale Data combines high-performance GPU infrastructure with a balance sheet strategy anchored in Bitcoin. Its approach reflects a dual focus on supporting AI and machine learning workloads, while building long-term asset reserves intended to strengthen financial resilience and growth potential. In the broader context, Bitcoin has rebounded, even getting above $75,000, signaling a stronger recovery after February's sell-off. This rally is being driven by multiple factors rather than a simple short-term bounce, including renewed ETF inflows, institutional buying, improving on-chain demand, and supportive macro conditions, leading to an optimistic outlook that companies with BTC treasury strategies could see their stock prices rebound in tandem with rising BTC prices. A major driver is the return of institutional capital through spot Bitcoin ETFs. These funds recorded 6 consecutive days of inflows, totaling nearly $200 million on March 16th, with strong contributions from major asset managers. March inflows have exceeded $1.3 billion, marking a clear reversal from February's heavy withdrawals and indicating renewed confidence from Wall Street. On-chain data also shows buyers re-entering the market after a period dominated by selling pressure. While demand has not reached previous peak, the shift toward accumulation suggests a healthier foundation for continued gains. At the same time, Bitcoin has shown unusual resilience amid global geopolitical tensions, especially after conflict in the Middle East intensified. Unlike traditional markets, where volatility indexes for stocks, oil, and bonds have surged, Bitcoin's volatility has remained relatively stable. This indicates that crypto traders are less fearful and not aggressively hedging against downside risk. Some analysts attribute this calm to the fact that crypto markets had already undergone a significant correction prior to the conflict. Market dynamics in derivatives have also contributed to the rally. Much of the recent price increase is tied to traders closing bearish positions, put options, placed during February's downturn. As these hedges unwind, market makers are forced to buy Bitcoin, creating upward price pressure. Bitcoin has also recorded an 8-day winning streak, its longest in 4 years, which historically leans bullish, with a median 30-day gain of around 19%. However, past examples show such streaks can occur during broader downturns, meaning caution is still warranted. So Hyperscale, its supporters, and the crypto crowd at large are cautiously getting amped up over Bitcoin's rally being powered by a combination of institutional demand and relative strength during a volatile period for other markets, which you can keep tabs on efficiently with TradingView, your trusted tool to track and scan the markets. Try it for free, link in the description and pinned comment.